I used to stare up at the moon all the time as a kid, just hoping that I might see a witch fly by. I remember running out into the woods one day with my sister because someone in the neighborhood said they heard a banshee cry. We were desperate to see it. Another time, someone in the neighborhood told me the house down the street was haunted. So my friends and I put on our Halloween masks and sat at the edge of the yard just hoping to see something in the windows. We were just kids, and back then, it all felt possible. Now, as an adult, I still sometimes look up at the moon hoping to see that witch. And when I hear a creak in my house late at night, part of me still hopes it's a ghost. But as we get older, those things start to fade, no matter how much we want to hold on to them. Something in us knows that that witch isn't gonna fly by the moon. So, for the past 25 years, I've spent my Halloween trying to recreate that feeling one more time. And now that all my friends have kids, I feel like I get to pass that feeling on. There is nothing I enjoy more than watching their faces light up when they walk into this party, and I hope I'm helping to create that magical feeling that I had as a kid. This is my 2025 Halloween build.
The gate where the dead men sleep, where the tombstones stand and the willows weep, lives a mangy mud with a muddy coat, digging 6 feet down 'cause he wants them both. Some dogs chase cars, some dogs guard doors, but this dog was born to gnaw and to gore. Brave leather dog, he's the king of the block. Brave leather dog, chewing on gamers for a midnight snack. He's a one-way ticket to a heart attack. Howling at the moon, he's a terrible sight. The grave dweller dog is on the ground tonight. He's got one eye and it's glowing green. His doghouse is a mausoleum. No leash, no collar, just a ghastly bark. Echoes around in the foggy dark.
I always try to stretch this Halloween magic beyond those few hours of the party. I spent 6 to 8 weeks building all of this, and then 5 hours later, it's gone. But the more I think about it, the more I realize that's exactly what makes it so special. It's supposed to be a moment, and it's supposed to vanish with the night. I don't have to fix or rebuild anything the next day. I just get to be there, watching everyone live inside this little pocket of magic while it lasts. No matter how old I get, I still find myself feeling like there's some sort of magic on Halloween, and I'm doing my part to keep it alive. Happy Halloween. See you guys in 2026. We got zombie, which was pretty much the same, but go ahead.
I want to eat your brain!